So one thing I've been asked a lot is how to find the perfect partner. Well, first of all, you've got to get out there and meet people. Classes, tours, hobbies, dating sites. I'm a big fan of meetup.com, Airbnb experiences. They're not a dating site, but you're doing things that you love to do and you're getting out and meeting people. It's a lot less stressful than going on a date. Find a hobby, find a group in your area, and just get out there and start doing it. Chances are you're going to meet people who also love doing the same thing, and you're sharing a commonality. When you do go on a date, make it fun. Go for a walk in the park with a thermos of coffee. Go look at the stars with a Sky Guide app. The key is to think outside the box. In dating profiles, post pictures of yourself doing things that you love to do. Taking the dog for a walk, fishing, beekeeping, cooking, whatever your jam is, we all have one. Post it because it makes you seem a lot more real. And who knows, you just may find someone who loves the same thing that you do. Put thought into your profile. Proofread, don't shortchange your words. And most of all, be honest. We all present the person that we envision ourselves being in a dating profile or the person that we want to be, but someone's going to love you for you. And it's much better to be comfortable with yourself and present that person than to meet someone who thinks that you're someone that you're not. You can tell a lot about someone by talking to them, and you may not want to go on a date with them after all. It's also part of the whole dating process. It gives you butterflies. Dating is a journey, right? It's not a destination. Confidence. People are drawn to it like a moth to a flame. You're unique, you're special, and someone will love you for you. Gender exists for a reason. It's why we're here. Guys, open doors. Ladies, let them. Yes, there is a fine line between placating gender, sexism, social norms and roles, but it's being considerate, it's being respectful of your date, and honestly, that's what the dating game entails. There's a sentence in the Holstein Manifesto: stop searching for your soulmate or the love of your life, because they will be there waiting for you when you start doing the things you love. So there you go. 7 ways to get out there and boost your dating game. For a more in-depth discussion, visit my blog post, and if you want an idea of what to say on a first date, stay tuned.